Introducing AI Graphics Factory SDXL, the most advanced text-to-image technology ever developed. AI Graphics Factory SDXL can turn any text into stunning, high-quality images in just seconds. Imagine having the power to create eye-catching visuals for your social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials. With AI Graphics Factory SDXL, you no longer need to spend hours searching for the perfect image. Simply input your text, choose a style, and let AI Graphics Factory SDXL do the rest. The result? Beautiful, professionally designed images that are sure to grab attention. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or social media influencer, AI Graphics Factory SDXL is a game changer. With its intuitive interface, anyone can become a graphic design expert in no time. Some text goes here, and the best part? AI Graphics Factory SDXL is powered by artificial intelligence, constantly learning and improving its output. You'll always have access to the latest cutting-edge technology.